Ever wondered about the mysteries that the natural world holds? The inexplicable phenomena that continue to baffle even our brightest scientific minds? Imagine standing on the edge of a vast crater, its origins unknown to mankind, or gazing at a circle of mushrooms in a forest, its formation a puzzle to researchers. Picture a storm brewing, not just any storm, but one with a bizarre hexagonal shape, or a forest seemingly dancing to an unheard tune. Our world is a place of unending wonder, filled with phenomena that have left even the most brilliant scientists scratching their heads in bewilderment. Despite the leaps and bounds we've made in technology and understanding, there are still areas of our natural world that remain shrouded in mystery, eluding our grasp of comprehension. So sit tight as we unravel the top 10 natural phenomena that science can't explain. Prepare to embark on a journey into the great unknown. Starting off our countdown at number 10, we have the perplexing Pomsky crater. Nestled in the remote regions of Siberia, this gigantic crater was discovered by an unsuspecting team of Russian geologists in the early 20th century. Its immense size and peculiar formation left the scientific community in a state of bewilderment. The Pomsky crater is a giant gaping hole with a diameter of about a mile wide. Its depth is equally impressive, plunging over 1,000 feet into the Earth's crust. But what really baffles scientists is its unexplained origin. Theories abound, from meteor impacts to underground gas explosions, but none have been proven conclusively. The crater's enigmatic nature extends to its surroundings too. The permafrost that should be present is mysteriously absent, and the vegetation around the crater is unlike anywhere else in the region. A crater that leaves more questions than answers, the Pomsky crater is a true testament to the mysteries that still lie hidden within our world. Coming in at number 9, we delve into the enchanting mystery of fairy circles. These captivating patterns are found predominantly in arid grasslands of the Namib Desert, but their presence has been recorded worldwide. Fairy circles are essentially circular barren patches, typically surrounded by a ring of stimulated growth. They can range from 7 to 50 feet in diameter, and their lifespan can stretch over several decades. Scientists have been scratching their heads over this natural enigma for years. Several theories have been proposed, from termites and plant competition for water, to the more whimsical attributions to dragons and extraterrestrials. However, none of these explanations have been universally accepted. The precise cause of these patterns, their formation, and their peculiar distribution still baffle the scientific community, making the fairy circles one of the most intriguing unsolved mysteries of Mother Nature. Just like fairies themselves, these circles remain an elusive mystery. At number 8, we have the electrifying spectacle of volcano lightning. This extraordinary spectacle is exactly as it sounds, a lightning storm that takes place in the ash plume of an erupting volcano. It's a sight that is as awe-inspiring as it is terrifying, with bolts of electricity darting through the dark plume, creating a natural fireworks display. The occurrence of volcano lightning has long puzzled scientists. It's not entirely clear why it happens, but the leading theory suggests that it's all about the ash particles. As they rub together in the violent eruption, they generate static electricity. But here's where it gets tricky. The exact mechanism of how this electricity builds up and is released remains a mystery. Furthermore, not all volcanic eruptions produce lightning, adding another layer of intrigue to this already perplexing phenomenon. A phenomenon as beautiful as it is baffling, volcano lightning truly is a wonder to behold. Dancing its way into number 7, we have the dancing forest. Nestled in the heart of Russia's Kaliningrad Oblast region is a peculiar natural phenomenon that has left scientists scratching their heads. Here, amidst the lush greenery and crisp air, the trees don't just grow, they dance. The dancing forest, as it's aptly named, is a grove of pine trees that twist and turn in bizarre, inexplicable patterns. Each tree in this forest contorts into spirals, rings, and other unusual shapes, as if choreographed by an unseen hand. The cause of this arboreal ballet is still a mystery. Various theories have been proposed, from unstable soil and high winds to the more whimsical idea of intense energy fields. Yet none of these explanations fully satisfy the scientific community, rendering the dancing forest a captivating enigma. As we delve deeper into the unknown, we're reminded of the vast mysteries that nature still holds. A forest that moves to its own rhythm, the dancing forest continues to mystify those who dare to understand it. At number 6, we have the ominous hexagonal storm. This perplexing phenomenon can be found swirling over the northern pole of Saturn, a planet in our very own solar system. This storm, unlike any other, takes the form of a near-perfect hexagon, stretching approximately 20,000 miles across. That's wide enough to fit nearly 4 Earths inside. The hexagonal storm, first observed by NASA's Voyager mission in the early 1980s, has been a subject of intrigue for scientists worldwide. Despite numerous theories, the exact cause of this geometric wonder remains largely unknown. Some suggest it's the result of an unusual wave pattern in the jet stream, while others posit it's due to Saturn's rapid rotation combined with atmospheric conditions. However, these are just educated guesses, as no definitive explanation has been found. The mystery continues to baffle scientists, further fueling our curiosity about the universe's many enigmas. With its strange shape and ominous presence, the hexagonal storm is a storm like no other. Lighting up our countdown at number 5, we have the puzzling earthquake lights. These ethereal illuminations have been reported around the globe, often appearing before, during, or after seismic activity. They can manifest as floating orbs, flickering rainbows, or even towering flames of blue or red. Though they've been recorded for centuries, their cause remains elusive. Some scientists propose that they are a result of electrical properties in rocks being altered under extreme stress, a phenomenon known as piezoelectricity. Others suggest they might be due to the ionization of oxygen in certain types of rocks, which, when compressed, can create an electrical charge and subsequently light. However, these theories struggle to explain all observed characteristics of earthquake lights, such as their color variation and duration. Moreover, they are not consistently observed with every earthquake, adding another layer to the mystery. Indeed, earthquake lights are a captivating spectacle, a testament to the enigmatic nature of our planet. A light show born from the Earth's tremors, earthquake lights remain an unexplained enigma. Shooting into number 4, we have the mysterious Naga fireballs. Straight from the heart of Southeast Asia, these mesmerizing orbs of light appear annually along the Mekong River, in the stretch between Thailand and Laos. As night descends, the quiet river starts to glow with countless fireballs, shooting upwards from the water, reaching up to hundreds of feet into the air before vanishing without a trace. This spectacle is no small-town fair. It's a phenomenon that attracts thousands of spectators every year. What's perplexing is that these fireballs occur naturally, with no apparent source of ignition. Scientists have yet to explain this occurrence, but theories abound. From swamp gas to flammable phosphine gas, from bioluminescent creatures to the mythical Naga serpent-breathing fireballs, the explanations are as diverse as they are unproven. A fiery mystery that lights up the night, the Naga fireballs continue to spark intrigue. Humming its way into number 3, we have the enigmatic Taos Hum, a persistent low-frequency noise. The Taos Hum is named after the small town in New Mexico where it was first reported in the early 90s. It's a sound that only a small percentage of the local population can hear, and it's been described as a distant idling diesel engine or a far-off rumbling train. Yet when investigations were launched, no industrial or man-made source could be identified. Even weirder, the hum isn't just confined to Taos. Similar sounds have been reported worldwide. What makes the Taos Hum a real head-scratcher for scientists is the lack of a consistent explanation. Theories range from tinnitus, a condition causing ringing in the ears, to secret government projects or even extraterrestrial activity. But none of these theories have been definitively proven. A sound that has puzzled scientists for decades, the Taos Hum remains an unexplained mystery. And finally, the number 1 natural phenomenon that continues to baffle scientists is the perplexing Bermuda Triangle. This infamous area in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean has been the stage for countless disappearances of aircraft and ships. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, stretches between the points of Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. Theories abound, from magnetic field anomalies to alien abductions, yet no definitive explanation exists. The unexplained nature of these occurrences is what makes this the biggest enigma for science. What's more bewildering is that these disappearances often happen under absolutely normal weather conditions, and the vanished never send out distress signals. Despite advanced technology and scientific progress, the Bermuda Triangle remains an unsolved puzzle. A phenomenon that continues to challenge our understanding of the natural world. This is the number 1 natural mystery that science can't explain.